Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a pop-up that shows when clicking on a button using free Popup Box WordPress plugin. No coding required. So let's get started. Your first step is going to be installation the Popup Box free WordPress plugin. So let's search for Popup Box. As you can see, it appears the first. So let's click install now and hit activate. Once activated, the pop-up box will be shown on your dashboard menu. So click on the pop-up box. Here is our dashboard. Click on the add new button and select the pop-up type you want to create. Here we have a few options. Here to save your time, I've already created one. So let's check it out. As you can see on the general settings, we have to set the pop-up title. In my example, I have titled it as a button click pop-up. Make sure you have enabled the pop-up. On the custom content, you can create a fully customized pop-up content with the help of HTML. You can add, for example, text, forms, or even an image. You can also set a pop-up description. The display setting. Here you are choosing all pages or the exceptions where you do not want your pop-up to be shown, and include where to include your pop-up. On the post type, select the post type. In my case, I have chosen pages, and the posts from the pages, I have chosen the sample page post. Next, we are going to set the pop-up trigger. This is the key part of the video. Here you are setting the trigger causing the pop-up to open on certain events like onload, on-click, and both. In our today's video, we are focusing on on-click trigger. So we are setting on on-click option. So the next and the most important part is the CSS selector for trigger click. Here you have to add your CSS selector so the pop-up knows exactly when to show up. In order to enter the CSS class of your button, you have to write at first a dot, and in order to write the class ID of your button, you have to start with a hashtag. Here you will have a hint for you. If you are not a developer or not familiar with CSS selectors, I have a small hint for you. So to do that, you need to go to your posts page and find the button you want to be the trigger for your pop-up. Select it, and here from the advanced settings section, you need to write the HTML anchor, which is going to be your pop-up's ID. Or you can write the additional CSS class or classes, which is going to be your pop-up's class. And once you have written it, hit the save button to save the changes. Click the one you need, let's say the additional CSS class, and write a dot and paste it. So that's it. So after, we are going to set the pop-up position. Here we have a small preview to see where the pop-up is going to be shown. Let's say the bottom right corner, and let's save the changes. As you can see here, we have various sub-menus like settings with variations of customizable options, styles where you can be creative and style your pop-up to match your website's niche, Now save your pop-up and go to your page where you added a pop-up. So here is my sample page. Let's click on the button and boom, our pop-up shows up. By using on-click triggers instead of time pop-ups, your website is going to be more user-friendly and less intrusive. So that's it. You have learned how to create a click-triggered pop-up on WordPress using Popup Box free WordPress plugin. If the video was helpful, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to learn more Popup Box hacks, tricks, and tutorials.